Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. Right is right, even if everyone is against it, and wrong is wrong, even if everyone is for it. No pain, no palm, no thorns, no throne, no gall, no glory, no cross, no crown. I expect to pass through life but once. If therefore there be any kindness I can show, or any good thing I can do to any fellow being, let me do it now, and not defer or neglect it, as I shall not pass this way again. Knowledge is the treasure of a wise manual. The secret of happiness is to count your blessings while others are adding up their troubles. I shall pass through life but once. Let me show kindness now, as I shall not pass this way again. The truest end of life is to know the life that never ends. Patience and diligence, like faith, remove mountains. The adventure of the Christian life begins when we dare to do what we would never tackle without Christ. Men must be governed by God, or they will be ruled by tyrants. True silence is the rest of the mind, and is to the spirit what sleep is to the body, nourishment and refreshment. Let us see what love can do. No man is fit to command another that cannot command himself. Humility and knowledge in poke loads excel pride, and ignorance in costly attire. Silence is wisdom where speaking is folly. In the rush and noise of life, as you have intervals, step home within yourselves and be still. Wait upon God and feel His good presence. This will carry you evenly through your day's business. Inquiry is human blind obedience brutal. Truth never loses by the one but often suffers by the other. Next to God, thy parents. In all debates, let truth be thy aim, not victory, or an unjust interest. Covetousness is the greatest of monsters, as well as the root of all evil. A true friend freely advises justly, assists readily, adventures boldly, takes all patiently, defends courageously, and continues a friend unchangeably. Death cannot kill what never dies. The jealous are troublesome to others, but a torment to themselves. For death is no more than a turning of us over from time to eternity. Rebellion to tyrants is obedience to God. The best recreation is to do good. True guidelines does not turn men out of the world, but enables them to live better in it and excites their endeavors to mend it. We need to stop arguing about Christ and start living like Christ. Death is but crossing the world, as friends do the seas. They live in one another still.